Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make lemon bars. Sieve 300 grams of plain flour, 70 grams of powdered sugar, half teaspoon salt. Add 170 grams of unsalted butter, half teaspoon lemon essence, and mix to form the crust. Pour the mixture into a 9x13 dish and flatten it out. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until the sides start to turn golden. For the filling, mix 600 grams of caster sugar, zest of 3 lemons, add 60 grams of plain flour, add 8 eggs, 240 ml of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon essence, and mix well. Add half teaspoon of yellow food color, pour the filling onto the crust while it's still warm and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Once baked, let it cool for 1 hour before transferring to the fridge to cool for 2 hours. Cut with a damp, sharp knife. Dust with icing sugar. Do try out the recipe. Thanks for watching.